cherry. Cherry is small and yummy. Date, date. Date is sweet to eat like. Elderberry, elderberry. Elderberry grows in bunches. Gin, fig, fig is soft and tasty. Gin, quince, grapes. Grapes are juicy and fun. Why? Honeydew, honeydew. Honeydew is cool and sweet tree. Indian fig, Indian fig. Indian fig is colorful and tasty. Fizz, jackfruit, jackfruit. Jackfruit is big and delicious. Yes, kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi is green inside. Yam, lemon, lemon is bright and sour and mango, mango. Mango is juicy and sweet type. Nectarine, and nectarine. Nectarine is smooth and yummy. Orange, orange. Orange is full of juicy goodness. Papaya, papaya. Papaya is soft and healthy. Then quince, quince. Quince is golden and fragrant. Eggs, raspberry, raspberry. Raspberry is tiny and sweet. Eggs, strawberry, strawberry. Strawberry is red and delicious. Feed on tangerine, tangerine. Tangerine is easy to peel now. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is sweet and juicy. Gata. Watermelon, watermelon is cool and refreshing. Sigua, sigua. Sigua is juicy and refreshing. Yellow passion, the apple, yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit is sweet and tender. Zucchini, zucchini. Zucchini is green and healthy. Fun. A is for anchor down in the sea. Anchor holding boat steady. B is for boat sailing away. B on a sunny day. C is for canoe paddling slow. C canoe, watch it go. D is for dinghy, small and light. D dinghy floating bright. E is for engine, making it go. E engine, fast or slow. F is for ferry, big and wide. F ferry, people ride. G is for gondola, long and neat. G gondola, glide so sweet. H is for harbor, boats all stay. H harbor, safe all day. I is for island, far in the sea. Island, come and see. J is for jet ski, zoom so fast. J jet ski racing past. is for motorboat, speed away. M, motorboat, splash and play. N is for navy, ship so strong. N, navy, sailing along. O is for ocean, big and blue. O, ocean for me and you. P is for paddle boat, fun to ride. P, paddle boat, side by side. Q is for quay, boats park here. Q, quay, come dock near. R is for raft, float along. R, raft, sing a song. S is for sailboat, wind so free. S, sailboat on the sea. T is for tugboat, pull with might. T, tugboat, strong and tight. U is for underwater, sub. U, submarine, bubble, bubble. V is for vessel, big or small. V, vessel carries all. W is for watercraft, everywhere. W, watercraft here and there. X is for sawback, old-time ship. X, Xebec, sailing trip. Y is for yacht, shiny and grand. Y, la, across the land. Z is for daikon, crunchy to eat. E is for eggplant, purple and round. F is for fennel, fresh from the ground. G is for garlic, strong little clove. H is for horseradish, spicy it grows. I is for iceberg lettuce, crispy and cool. J is for jalapeno, spicy and cool. K is for kale, leafy and green. L is for leek, best in cuisine. M is for mushroom, soft like a cloud. N is for napa, cabbage big and proud. O is for okra, long and neat. P is for pumpkin, yummy and sweet. Q is for quinoa leaves, healthy to eat. R is for radish, crunchy treat. S is for spinach, makes you strong. T is for tomato, juicy and yum. U is for ube, purple delight. V is for veggies, colorful and bright. W is for watercress, tiny and green. X is for ziegel, veg, rarely seen. I is for yam, soft and sweet. Z is for zucchini, fun to eat. Ooh, 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 ooh. I, B, C, sing with me. Healthy veggies from A to Z. Eat them daily, grow up strong. Happy kids, sing this song. Ooh, 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 ooh. Apple, apple, apple is red and crunchy rot. Banana, banana, banana is sweet and soft. Cherry, cherry, cherry is small and yummy. passion. The apple, yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit is sweet and tan. Zucchini, zucchini. Zucchini is green and healthy fat.